anyways, I just wanted to say happy Valentine's Day to everyone who actually decided to watch this video. So yeah, by the way, the filters are wrong. I'm still single, or I still don't have a stop spinning your chair, jeez. I still don't have a Valentine, but you know what? At least I have a K-12 heirloom bracelet that I got, necklace, not bracelet, that I got for Christmas, and I decided to wear it today, and it has literally nothing inside. Let's see if I can open it. Okay, hold on. There we go. Yeah, nothing inside. And I'm wearing my pink vest. So at least I look good. At least I think I look good. Oh, you guys can see the full outfit if you want. Yeah, pink vest, white long sleeve, and black sweatpants, which I feel like tights would be better. I mean, leggings. What is with me getting words wrong today? Anyways, happy Valentine's Day in YouTube, I swear. Please do not make my voice sound this high pitched in videos anymore. I mean, not this. Just don't make them. Just don't make me sound high pitched, please. Because I swear, like, I think I have a deep voice, but when I listen to the recordings, I sound like a chipmunk. I sound like Alvin. So please, and also don't disable my comments, which I know you haven't been doing, and I'm very thankful. But anyways, happy Valentine's Day to you too.